Looking to improve your bedroom performance and take your sex life to the next level? The key to unlocking your full sexual potential lies in your pelvic floor muscles. Discover the top exercises for strengthening these muscles and experience explosive orgasms, increased stamina, and greater control over your ejaculation. Don't let a weak pelvic floor hold you back any longer. Start your journey to peak sexual fitness now. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. The pelvic floor muscles are a group of muscles that form a sling-like structure between the pubic bone and the tailbone. They support the pelvic organs, including the bladder, uterus, and rectum, and play an important role in urinary and fecal continence, sexual function, and childbirth. Weak pelvic floor muscles can lead to a range of health issues, including urinary and fecal incontinence, pelvic organ prolapse, and sexual dysfunction. Therefore, it is essential to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles through exercises such as Kegels to maintain their function and prevent these problems from occurring. Locating the pelvic floor muscles can be tricky, but it is important to identify if they are weak or tense. One way to find the pelvic floor muscles is to imagine stopping the flow of urine midstream. The muscles used to do this are the pelvic floor muscles. Another way is to insert a clean finger into the vagina or anus and try to contract the muscles around it. If the muscles feel weak or loose, they may need strengthening. Conversely, if they feel tight or sore, they may be tense and require relaxation techniques. It is crucial to identify and address any issues with the pelvic floor muscles to maintain optimal pelvic health. Kegel exercises are a popular and effective way to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. To perform Kegels, one must first locate the pelvic floor muscles by either stopping the flow of urine midstream or inserting a finger into the vagina or anus and contracting the muscles around it. Once located, Kegels involve contracting and holding the pelvic floor muscles for several seconds before relaxing them. These exercises can be done at any time, anywhere, and are particularly helpful for those with weakened pelvic floor muscles due to pregnancy, childbirth, aging, or surgery. With regular practice, Kegels can improve bladder control, sexual function, and overall pelvic health. Pelvic floor muscle contraction and relaxation exercises are a key component in the treatment of pelvic floor muscle dysfunction. These exercises involve contracting the pelvic floor muscles for several seconds before relaxing them. This can be repeated multiple times throughout the day. These exercises can help strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, improve bladder and bowel control, and enhance sexual function. Pelvic floor muscle dysfunction can be caused by various factors including pregnancy, childbirth, aging, and surgery. With regular practice, pelvic floor muscle contraction and relaxation exercises can improve the overall health and function of the pelvic floor muscles. Vaginal weights or cones are typically used by women to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, but men can also benefit from similar exercises. Men can use rectal weights or cones, which are designed to be inserted into the rectum. By contracting the pelvic floor muscles, the user can hold the weight in place and increase muscle strength over time. It is important to choose a weight or cone that is appropriate for the user's level of strength and to follow a recommended exercise routine. With regular use, rectal weights or cones can be effective in improving pelvic floor muscle function, reducing symptoms of incontinence, and enhancing sexual function for men.